Hello everyone, welcome to TechWay the channel. Are you someone who is curious about local platforms, want to start a career in automation, BPM or case management? Then you must have heard about Pega. In this video, I will explain what Pega is, why it's needed, why it's used, its advantages, and how you can start learning it in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. What is Pega? Pega is a local platform that helps business automate processes, build apps quickly, and manage customer interactions in an efficient way. It is mainly used for business process management, BPM, case management, and decision management. The best part is you don't need to write a lot of code. It works on raw pen drag tools, visual flow charts, and rule-based logic, which makes it super fast and easy to use. Let's see an overview of Pega. Pega was created by a company called Pega Systems, which is founded in 1983 by Alan Trefler in USA. Over the years, it has grown into a powerful platform used by Fortune 500 companies, banks, healthcare firms, insurance companies, and even government agencies. From simple workflows to complex customer service systems, Pega is used across many industries to make work faster, smarter, and more efficient. Why companies use Pega? Companies love Pega because it helps them to reduce manual work and errors. It builds and changes apps quickly without much coding. It automates decisions using AI and rules. It will improve customer experiences. It saves time and money. For example, a bank can use Pega to automate loan approvals, or a hospital can use it to manage patient records and tasks, all without writing heavy code. Advantages of Pega. Here are some many key advantages of Pega. Low-code development, reusable components, built-in AI and decision logic, cloud-ready and scalable, and case management. So whether you are a developer, business analyst, or project manager, Pega offers something for everyone. How to learn Pega? If you want to learn Pega, here is how to start. Pega Academy. This is the official learning platform. You can take free courses and even earn certifications like CSCA, CSSCA, LSL, something like that. You can learn from communities. You can learn from Self-Study Buddy and other platforms. Start with basic topics like case types, data pages, rules, flows, and UI. Then slowly move to advanced topics like decisioning, integrations, etc. And that's a quick introduction to Pega. It's powerful, in demand, and a great career path in the world of automation and digital transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Pega related content. Thank you.